Okay, I have three 22 watt 12 volt solar panels mounted on top of an ammo box. And I have three 22,000 milliamp hour 12 volt batteries, some extra leads, and I have a Retevis RT97 GMRS repeater, and I'm waiting for the female lighter socket attachment. Little cardboard divider. Oops, that's got the power on. That's got the power on. Oh, it's picking up power from the solar panel. Solar panel are already collecting power. This assembly will go up on a ridge near my home and be connected to a Comet CA712 EFC GMRS antenna. Boulders will be piled on the antenna base to keep the wind from taking it down. It's just a standard T-post that farmers have laying around the yard, with a piece of pipe stuck on the top of it, and a big old Comet antenna. And we'll take it up on the ridge and see if it'll get out.